Nyanya ngutepo wala wanonglo dukoma. Noyo laklere, Anglo nanyo, Ghana nanyo, Africa nanyo, Kakamekata nanyo. Mebiao, le Christo, Mau de Capon Common. Amashama Nagloba, Amen.
Yeah, avoir Colomdal, Petata dit le Mau, le Tola, pour le village, pour le Bocola, pour commun. Amen.
Amen.
Ma voya Clogue, le Lakble Duopan commun. Comme Shiba Duopan commun. Le Mau Tola, Villa, pour le Bocola, pour commun. Amen. In commemoration of Anglo 2024 Mini Hogbetsotso Za, hosted by Alakple on Saturday 26 October 2024, unveiled by Hogbe Zegu II, Dufia of Alakple, Ame Holontato of Anglo, and Fiaga of Koma Shima on Friday 25 October 2024. The ancestors who founded Alakple were the first to step on Anglo land. This is why Alakple, also known as Hogbe, is considered the oldest settlement in Anglo land. Throughout history, the Hogbe, who are the people of Alakple, have played various leadership roles in Anglo, whether it is in the area of wars, chieftaincy, or self-help development projects. In short, the people of Alakple are forerunners. They are ground breakers. They are pace setters. They are trail blazers in Anglo. Therefore, the monument is designed to symbolically depict all these positive attributes. Pierre Cor, and no one was a fiamber. Miatobi yo for Alakple Dua, or when you are Magbanto, you can rock for Anglo Nibaji. So Sumatai, Oblonaba Alakple near the Kupo Tokekiakala, Anglo Nibaji. Alaba, New Yorkata, Ijiva, Miatobi to do what I should never fear. Edifia Cotueba, Alakple Toa. Ngogbo no na Asia yi. Asia ko we tanamo afi Anglo dubu okplo naro lenu garama. Ala nya afi anya omo. Ala nya ngogbe no no nya omo. Ala nya aleko na soro ki oba yento ya dre yo duro ma. Lenu mo katama Alakple nya me ke hona ngogba Asia yi. The sculpture and its symbolism. The sculpture of the monument is a ragged hand holding a torch with flames. The ragged hands depict the tenacity of Hogbe from the past, present, and the future to come. The flamed torch depicts qualities of a leader, a pioneer, a front runner, a pathfinder, a trendsetter, and an initiator. Pierre Cor, anu ngonglo gboglomba, anu tata ele diapomie popoma. Enya ashi sasara, ikala adzokarire ashi. Ale wo shia wonya ashi na kweko na kwa ashi sasare ma. Enya no ika afien ale Hogbe wonya mesesawo. Wo na ngutafa ye no ika orobo yo wipo. Wo tan woni. Nana make a jokari can a shalara here. A fiaba Hogbe onya ngogbe no la wala me katani nyabe. Nem ye zozom la veme. Ye te fado vivichia ame le karira she no ngogba. Me no na megba. Ta a fiaba Hogbe wa onye ngogbe no la o. Nya The whole sculpture is projected at an angle from its base to depict forward movement and progression instead of being vertically straight. which would have depicted stagnation, inactivity, and lack of direction. The forward movement in the sculpture is further enhanced by the slightly backwards direction of the flames compared to the angle of the torch. This is because when a flame torch is moved at a certain speed, the wind normally throws the flame backwards. Oba glomba nonomatataya oma we wodzo count. Kabongo we ba oglora ngogba vie nukatai. Aglora ngogba vie ba ofiamba mi la son leji mi ma la tafara kaw. Ale mi atobio wo fi dashina mi mi ga wogere jamuma o hanye ngogba yi nami. Nana makena la kura jua ngo akoba jua yire magba vie ieko. Iha fiamba mi la son leji. Ala ba na la jokare rashi ye na la duji aro na soson klak klak la ye ya fofoma nke zona e yakona ezo donara magavie tamanya roko weko asuswara tai wozana na maro kamia awunu. Finally, to reinforce, amplify, as well as re-establish Alakple's role as a leader in Anglo, the index finger, also referred to as the first finger or the forefinger or the pointer finger, stands straight in alignment with the angle of the torch. This allows the other four fingers to grab the torch whilst the index finger shows the way. This is deliberate as it brings this sculpture into perfect harmony with the traditional symbol of the authority being currently used by Alakple's Dufia and Komashimes Fiaga. Pia Kobamiato Unua, Anu Wonglo Goglombere, Nalankura Ashiala Zochia, Ashibideo Katama Pokma Zochia, Kabum Nyagloshia, Ya Alatan, Yika Fiaba, Ngogba Yifa Nyapoplomiela, Gakper Hamangwa, Makariba Mikatakule Nyaba. Miafa Dufia, Ble Ame Hotato, Na Anglo, Ble Fiaga na Komashima, Zasiara la Fati Proji, Zasima, Adona Nyagloshire, Eji. Kwafiaba, a Nuya Miawo, a Nyagloshia Heleji, Pona Namako, a Sopipi Aro, a Doka, Ble Miafa Fiafa. Jesse Ikozana, Aba Musa Zachiana. Takia, Namia Pong Tatala Japoa, Manya Munko, Kabonga Nusia Nulamoa, and Yarablom, Ta Anya Okata Blom, and Nuola, Yemamia, Mikata Mesa, Tananya Dumavi, Ye Amara, at Zawamazro, Yo Ponia, Nia Gomaria, as a Banata Papa. Na remene karaka abale remene etwomie sene plus suba amashama na nyaba manya nuko nyowo eto dara fima ka anu to hero nye o dangblamu o bususuamu amaga hora susu kere nyapanu jojoma kere nyato bio pa zoli jojoma anu kristo yo wala ngloma o sonu mo kata ha koko hafi danglaba no matata nano ala mi pomi nanya ba o zamana mi yemi hoji na ma kama jiba mi asia kpaga reka o hanya mi afa aji manyere da ma chamba nu ya o na mi anya ko da matututu akwana ri mi asalo akwana mi
ba ma to monu kokko ya adak manya glore na mi o ma fia to bi asire ton vai na togi agbashi awusu afadada na ngolo agato akpada na anglo youth council akamachi o ba vito o fanu nola ken pado ba o za agba bula klanchi anami monu popo ya ba miara mio ha mia konu tete afia ngolo do mato momle adana nyaduma gan kata bla local planning committee na Mini Hogbe mi rurugato nechi za madon le Alakple duata makaraji ba nono matata ya ugblomitonchi ya mieri fia afigo ho va de mia akofia mi ye we be ka hoko ya to gbe o blena mia mi ye ya gbimrenu ike be jide ho la shinya be na mi zonre di abale mi wo mi le tso egbona no be yo be fi kenya nglo makaji be lakle yogola mi shi akwerete miaola mi goblin ple mareko ale ko miawo na anwlo duo na nyedu mashia mana odro mashia ba ebe akofi nyanglo ra iko nyamya pataroji mi go madam to lakle ye makareji ba kamachi o la shinya ye mi zozo ma du adu chiza ma don le viciniata ama avaga le mawu po nkoma akbanami
Alakple towo katamicho micho ne miadra miade doado amesiamana wo eto sinu ne miawo alakple doane wanyo mikata mielema mikata mielema mikata mielema ne miawo alakple doane wanyo mikata mielema mikata mielema mikata mielema ne miawo alakple doane wanyo